Hey everyone, Steve here. So, some of you already know that about a year ago I finally made the career jump to leave my old job and start flying for a living. It took a long time to get there, but finally did it. I was flying Alaska for the last year. I've got a ton of video footage to still upload and edit together and share with everybody. But in the meantime, just earlier this month, I started a new job flying for a doctor's office out of San Antonio. I thought while I was at it, I might share the airplane with you and give you a quick tour of the Piper Malibu Mirage that I'm now flying for work. It's an airplane that's always been on my list since I was pretty young. It's a damn sexy airplane. So up front you have the Lycoming TS-IO 540. It's 350 horsepower, twin turbocharged, intercooled, wastegate controlled piston engine, 540. There's a baggage compartment up front to balance everything out. You got the really long, high aspect ratio wings, kind of like a Mooney or some of the later airplanes. Makes the airplane very, very efficient. It's pressurized, which is really nice. And I never really thought about it. The airplane's certified up to 25,000 feet, but it didn't really occur to me that you could do flights at like 8,000-9,000 feet, which if you're doing a short hop, there's no need to go very high. But at 8,000-9,000 feet, you can keep a sea level cabin, so you don't feel the effects of going up in altitude, which is really nice. So this thing is more or less a 6-seat limousine with wings. And let me show you around inside here. Alright, slide into the back seat. It's 4 seats in club configuration here, as you can see, and 2 seats up front. It's pretty comfortable. There's also baggage area back here behind me, in the back of the airplane. So between the rear baggage and the front baggage, you can balance out the weight. But the real penthouse is up front. The biggest complaint people have about this airplane is squeezing in and out of the cockpit. And at 6'2", it's not easy, but honestly, compared to getting in and out of a Mooney or a Bonanza, honestly, climbing up onto the wing and then climbing down into the cockpit is in itself, I guess, what people are more used to than squeezing between the seats like this, but it's not bad. I don't think it's bad at all. So let's get up front. Now, there's definitely a certain way you have to do this. Left front foot forward and keep it forward. There's no crossing your feet as you get up in here. There we go. So that's not so bad. There we are. Once I'm in the seat, the only other complaint that I could have is lack of headroom. My headset hits in here a lot. You can see that they created this little cutout for your headset, and it does ride in there. If I sit forward at all, it hits this. That's okay though. I've learned to get used to it. I've got the seat as far down and leaned back as possible. But, this airplane was built in 1997 and was recently upgraded with the Garmin 500 and a 530 GPS, WAS GPS. It still has the original Bendix weather radar in it. And the other day I had it all fired up and trying to deal with thunderstorms going into Corpus Christi. It turned out to be smooth as glass though. It was a really, really nice trip. So yeah, I'm a little bit in love with this airplane. Enjoy flying it and really enjoy getting paid to fly it. I certainly couldn't afford to put gas in this thing myself. Anyway, I'll be catching up on my old YouTube channel hobby and trying to get a little bit more interesting information up there and share what I'm doing. And yeah, stick around for the ride. We'll catch you a little later. Thanks.